Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can enable lightning edges on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. So in order to do that, first we need to head to settings. In the settings you want to go to notifications and then here choose notification pop-up style. Here you can go to edge lightning style and now we can choose the effect where we have none, bubble, hard, fireworks, eclipse, echo, and spotlight. Now, in addition to that, we can also change the color. So let's say I'm gonna choose the eclipse and let's go to color. Over here, it is set to auto, but we can just choose our own. So we have some presets that we can choose, or we can go to this color palette over here, and then we can choose something more specific. And then we can press done. After that, we can also switch to advanced, where we can set up the transparency and duration. And that's it. Then we can press done. And there we go. The lightning style is set and we have the lightning edges. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.